Over the past few months, I've been working on my handbag line called N75. It is very 90s inspired and also 70s inspired. I've been experimenting a lot with different leathers and different techniques, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I come up with for this spring. I'll be dropping a new collection at the end of March, and this is my spring collection currently on my site. I'll be expanding more to men's for sure in the fall. Thank you guys so much.